Hi, I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making this yummy jalapeno pineapple margarita. It's spicy and delicious and packs just the right amount of heat. You guys are gonna absolutely love this one. Let's get started. We are gonna go ahead and get our glasses ready. So we're gonna dump some tahini on a plate. This stuff's so good. I just started using it last year and I'm like, what? I've been missing out. I used to just use salt for margaritas. This is way better. And we're also, on this other plate, we're gonna squeeze another lime. And this is just to garnish the rim of our glasses. Really, a half a lime is probably totally fine. We're gonna take the rim of our glass and just dunk it in that lime juice and then into the tahini. See how perfect that is? And what you want to watch is like when we put our ice in, it gets a little tricky sometimes because sometimes it wants to knock it off, so we just got to do it nice and careful. Okay, so first things first, we're going to take our shaker. It's empty right now. We're going to add in 4 slices of jalapenos. If you don't like super spicy, then pick the ones that don't have seeds in them. They're going to have way less heat. I'm going to use a little bit of both. We are also going to add in 2 ounces of simple syrup. You can easily make this at home. It's just a 1-to-1 ratio of sugar to water. I like to just keep the plain kind in my liquor cabinet, so that way when I want to make a drink, it's just super fast. So we're going to muddle this, and this is just going to release all that spice. If you don't have a muddler like that, that's okay. You can buy one, or you can just use the bottom of a spoon to just kind of release those juices. Okay, now we're gonna fill our shaker up with ice. And this is just right on top of the jalapenos and simple syrup. Add in 2 ounces of tequila. I really like the silver here, but I couldn't get my hands on it this time, so I'm just using the añejo. 1 ounce of a Grand Marnier or triple sec. 8 ounces of pineapple juice. These little cans are only 6 ounces. So I'm gonna use just a little bit of another one. And we need the juice from 1 lime. These are so good. They're just the right amount of spice. You guys are gonna absolutely love these. Every time I make them for a party, people go crazy. Get those ice cubes in there. All right, now we're gonna give our cocktail a good shake. I can get the lid off and pour it in. Now we're just going to top these with a jalapeno. And a pineapple wedge. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe so that we can keep cooking together. I love sharing easy recipes to help make your life just a little bit simpler. Cheers!